Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Fitbod app for beginners. So first up is download and install the app and then log in or sign up for an account. And after you sign up, you will be directed here. Now first, if you click this your gym, you can change your available equipment or gym equipment by clicking on it. Like me, I have dumbbells. You can also change the body weight only workouts. And here you have your workout settings. So the settings is on this one. Next is on the target muscle. The app may give you your targeted muscle automatically or you can add more by clicking the plus button. You can add abs or something like that. And then after you added, click on save. Now it will generate your next workout. After you've selected that, here you can change your exercises. You can change it by sliding to the left. If you want to add, just click on the plus button. You can search an exercise you want to add. Next one is on the body. Here you can see your overall strength, push muscles, pull muscles, and leg muscles. You can see here also your body fat percentage, your weight, and other things. On recovery, you can see here you have fresh muscle groups, which is 9. And then days since your last workout. So here you will see how many days since your last day workout. Next is on the target. Here you have your weekly set targets, push muscles, and other histories. On log, here you can see the calendars, number of workouts you've done, your milestones, your weekly goals, and current streak. You can also see your past workouts. And then after you've configured your settings, you can simply click on the start workout to start it. Also here on the three dots, you can save workout, share workout link, create workout from scratch, build superset circuit, save workouts, and other things. And that's basically it.